Hello and welcome in this video for this exercise given during the Romanian Math Olympiad 2023. And this exercise is this one. You want to find all pairs of integers x and y such that x to the power of 6 plus 3x cubed plus 1 equals y to the power of 4. So if you want to give a try, please pause the video. Otherwise, let's see the solution. One way to solve that is to focus on the left side and to focus on these two powers, 6 and 3. And 6, this is 2 times 3. So we are going to transform the left side into a perfect square. So the first step, this is to multiply by 4 the left side and the right side. So you end up with 4x to the power of 6 plus 12x cubed plus 4 equals 4y to the power of 4. So this is the beginning of the perfect square. This is 2x cubed, and this is 2ab. This is 2 times 2 times 3x cubed. So you add plus 3, and you need to subtract 3 squared. This is 9. So plus 4 equals 4y to the power of 4. So then if you do the math and you put this quantity on the other side, you end up with 2x cubed plus 3 squared minus 4y to the power of 4 equals 5. Then you transform this quantity into a square. So this is 2y squared squared. Then you've got 1 squared minus another squared. So you use this power rule. A squared minus b squared equals a plus b times a minus b. So you end up with 2x cubed plus 3 plus 2y squared times 2x cubed plus 3 minus 2y squared equals 5. So now you've got a product equals 5. So you've got 4 cases. So the first one, the first term equals 1 and the second equals 5. Second case, the first term equals -1 and the second one equals -5. Third case, the first term equals 5 and the second one equals 1. And the last case, the first term equals -5 and the second term equals -1. So now let's see these 4 cases one by one. First case, first term equals 1 and second term equals 5. So if you see the first case and if you add these two rows, you got 4x cubed, 3 plus 3 equals 6, 2y squared plus -2y squared, this is 0, and 1 plus 5, this is 6. So you end up with 4x cubed plus 6 equals 6. This is x equals 0. And then if you plug x equals 0 to one of these two equations, so then you got 3 plus 2y squared equals 1. And this is not possible because y is an integer, so there is no integer such that 3 plus 2y squared equals 1. So no solution. Case number 2, Now, the same process, you add these two rows, and you got 4x cubed plus 6 equals negative 6. So if you put this quantity on the other side, so you got x cubed equals negative 4. And once again, this is not possible because x is an integer, so there is no integer such as x cubed equals minus 4. Case number 4. So same process, you add these two rows, and then you got 4x cubed plus 6 equals negative 6. And if you put that on the other side of the equation, and then if you divide by 4, you got x cubed equals negative 4, which is not possible because x is an integer. And last case, this is case number 3, if you add these two rows, you got 4x cubed plus 6 equals 6. Then you got x equals 0, and if you plug in the first equation, for example, you got y equals plus or minus 1. So this is the only possibility to verify this equation. So thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video.